everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everyone had a great weekend, and hope you're ready for another great trading week. All right. Um, let's go over the markets. On Friday, we had another big update. All right. Buyers are coming into this market. All right. All right. Let's take a look at big picture. All right. Take a look at big picture. On the Dow, take a look at the Dow here. You guys remember that buy signal closed, right? Here's our down or our upward trend line here, and we've got a green candle here on the week. So last week, the Dow closed on the weekly time frame with a green candle. All right, so here we are again. I'm looking to move higher, perhaps test resistance up here. All right, don't have a new buy signal yet on the week, just a green candle so far. The NASDAQ, same thing. All right. Had a sell signal close, broke support. Again, on the weekly time frame, big picture, got some green candles coming in here, looking to test the resistance again. All right. If we break resistance, we could get a buy signal on the weekly time frame somewhere in this area right here. All right. So good for the NASDAQ, good for the Dow. All right. Let's take a look at the S&P. All right. S&P, same thing. Buy signal closed, red candles, broke support. We had buyers came in. So for the last couple of weeks, guys, we've had a lot of buying come back in. Again, on Friday, Dow was up almost 400 points. So here we are, green candle looking to test resistance here. The Russell is weaker, though. The Russell is still weak. All right. At least the good news for the Russell is that it held support. All right, so it held support here. No green candles yet on the Russell, but we do have, like I said, green candles coming in on the Dow and the S&P. The dollar made a bit of a move lower. All right, but still holding somewhere in the middle, so consolidating. All right, pound yen, guys, we're looking at a big move in the pound yen. All right, and pound yen will drive the other yen pairs. All right, much like Bitcoin will drive the cryptocurrencies out there. Looking to break through hopefully this week. All right, looking to break through the highs right here on pound yen. All right, so that's big picture. Let's take a look at the current positions. Current positions. All right, current positions, and we'll start with Monster Scalper. All right, so current positions in Monster Scalper. These are long positions, and just remember, with Monster Scalper, we trade on Forex on the 240-minute time frame, so the 4-hour chart. All right, so NZD, CHF, buy signal here, closed. All right, close. Red candles, broke support right here. So we'll close that trade. So NZD, all right, that's your New Zealand Swiss. All right, we'll remove that. All right. All right, New Zealand Swiss, close that trade. All right. New Zealand yen, and you guys know yen pairs have been moving higher. Okay, a buy signal here on the yen. All right, New Zealand yen. Now we have sellers sitting here. Sellers are sitting here. Sellers are sitting here. All right. Price made a move. All right. Buy signal was here all the way here to resistance. All right. And the yen pairs are looking to make a move. So we'll hold it for now. No red candles. All right. Green candle here. We did have some white candles here, but we'll see if it could get back to resistance up here and break higher. Okay, so NZD, JPY, continue to hold that. New Zealand, look at euro yen, right? Euro yen, buy signal here, right? Got out of this consolidation in here, all right, where it was very choppy, right? Finally broke out. Our buy signal was here. It's moving nicely all the way up here. So euro yen, that's doing well. SGD JPY, all right, again, this one got out of that consolidation, broke resistance, buy signal here, all green candles, guys. All right, really good trading here going with SGD JPY, buy signal here. All right, moving up higher. Uh, Now, this is breaking resistance here. So if you got in here, this might be an opportunity to add to that position. But again, just be careful. Pound yen buy signal here. All right. A bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. So be careful there, but no need to exit the trade. All right. That's pound yen. We do have a new down here. So just keep that in mind. CAD yen buy signal is here. All right, trying to break through that resistance right here. We do have pretty good resistance right here, guys. This is where sellers have been here. All right, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully, CAD yen can break out of this area here. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. Okay. All right. Pound CAD. All right, pound CAD that closed. So buy signal was here, right? Close that trade. Pound CAD sell signal right here. Pound CAD close that trade. Okay. All right. Now those no short positions. So we don't have any short positions. All right. In Monster Scalper. So let's take a look at Forex Dominator. All right. Now equities had a big move on Friday. So we'll take a look at equities this evening. Okay. All right. So Forex Dominator trading on the daily time frame, trading Forex on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the current positions in Forex Dominator. Aussie yen broke resistance, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, all right, but still holding. Swiss yen, all right, Swiss yen, buy signal was here, moving up nicely. We do have a nice trend line going. All right, let's bring that in. Hold on. My trade station crashed on Friday, so we've got to get all this going again. All right, so we got our trend line here, Swiss yen. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Euro yen. All right, buy signal here, and this one is breaking out, guys. Look at Euro yen. All right, our monster scalper traders, right? You guys can look for opportunities in your smaller time frame. All right, especially with the yen pairs. Okay, so buy signal here, breaking out nicely. So just because you've missed it on the daily time frame with Forex Dominator, that doesn't mean you can't trade it. Find a smaller time frame, but go with the trend. The overall trend is up long. All right, so find long opportunities. All right, pound yen, buy signal is here. Just need to break through resistance here. Purple support and resistance, but we got good support here. Good support, good resistance, all green candles. Pound yen just needs to break out. And remember, let's do this here. Remember, we have big picture on pound yen. We're looking for pound yen to hopefully break out here. This is on the weekly time frame, right? We showed this earlier. We're looking for pound yen to break through here. All right. If it does, that could be really good. All right. For pound yen and the yen pairs. Okay. So just keep that in mind as we take a look at pound yen right here on the daily time frame. So it's holding here, all green candles, just needs to break out. All right. But it will do that in its own time. All right. HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal here, still holding. Nice upward trend line right here. All right. Nice upward trend line. Buy signal was here, still moving up nicely. Breaking resistance here. This yellow line here, that's your resistance line. And it's breaking through. I know it's hard to see here, but here it is here. Right. Breaking through all your resistance right here. Okay. So good trading here. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right. SGD JPY, same thing. All right. Buy signal here, moving higher here. Right. Great trades going, guys, with the yen pairs in Forex Dominator for lots of pips. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right. So if you're in it, just let it run. ZAR yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Now, we did mention that we have resistance right here. So just keep that in mind. All right. What we're going to do is move this up right here. All right. So just know we have resistance here. We are touching that resistance, a bit of a pullback. We can see if buy signal is here. Now, we'll see if this pair can get some steam and then try breaking through, right? Breaking through this resistance and getting past this area here. That's a big area of consolidation right here. All this area here. All right. So that price might wait here for a while. All right. But hopefully it will break out and follow the other yen pairs. Okay. So that's ZAR yen. All right. No need to do anything major, right? Just a bit of a pullback. Green candles. All right. If we get a white candle, we might close it. All right. But I'm holding so far. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD. Buy signal was here. Bit of a pullback. We'll close this here. Aussie CAD. Close that trade. All right. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Buy signal is here. All right. Nice pullback. And now it's moving higher. Let's bring in our trend line. All right, so nice upward trend line. This is where we have sellers. So just remember, buy signal was here. Now it's not a perfect trade going here. It's pulled back quite a bit. All right, but looks like it wants to break through that resistance right here. Sellers are here. Just remember, sellers are here. All right, if it really rejects this area, I just want to close it, take profits there. All right, pound EUR. GBP, euro, pound, buy signal here, and it's breaking out. So that's good here for euro, pound. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely, just like the CAD pair. All right, lots of consolidation in here, right? So just think of this as a wall. So the price has got to, all right, get past this area, right? A lot of confusion in here. So traders will remember, right, this area here, that price right here. So just keep that in mind. All right, euro and okay. All right, price got squeezed. Buy signal, right? Buy signal coming out of that triangle here. Buy signal, all green candles, nothing to do. Euro and okay. EURTRY, all right, buy signal here, all green candles, nothing to do. Aussie New Zealand, all right, Aussie New Zealand fail, guys, and this is a good example. When they're feeling that resistance, really pay close attention. Okay, so this is a very good example here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. All right, so hold on. All right, so here is support down here, support resistance, right? There's your box right here, right? Buy signal here, right? Failed to stay above resistance. Buy signal here, failed to stay above resistance, right? So sell signal here, sell signal here. This one here, same thing, guys. Buy signal, but failed to stay above resistance. Red candle here, close this trade. All right, it could go all the way back down to support. Okay, now you guys, you know that ideally we want this to break out of the break out of the resistance, enter, hopefully get into the markup phase, right? Just remember, other traders are watching these areas here and they're looking to short back down here. All right, and then buyers are looking to perhaps move back up unless it breaks support. Just keep in mind what traders are doing, the psychology of what they're doing. Okay, so short sellers are always sitting at resistance, right, hoping to push your price lower. All right, so just be aware of that. All right, so Aussie New Zealand closed that trade. All right, we do have some shorts. I thought we closed. Hold on. I think when TradeStation crashed, these. All right, I think we closed these shorts already. Yeah, let's get rid of those there. So we don't have any shorts there. All right. All right. Equity positions. All right. Equity positions. We'll take a look at those. We'll start with stock boss. Now, guys, we don't have any buy signals yet in equities, but we have green candles, and we track it. We track the indexes, the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq on the daily time frame. All right, on the daily time frame. So we don't have any buy signals, all right, yet, but we do have green candles, which is good. All right. So the Dow, right, no buy signal yet, but green candles coming in here. You guys see that here. All right. So that's good. That's the Dow, right? The Nasdaq, look at the Nasdaq right here. That's about what, 6 days of buying here. Same thing with the Dow. All right. Same thing with the S&P. All right. If we get an up week this week, we should get buy signals. Okay. Those should come in shortly on the daily time frame. All right. Kind of like what they did here, here, here. Now the Russell, that needs some time. All right. We're not close to a buy signal on the Russell. VIX is at 14. So that's good. The VIX volatility index, that's nice and low. All right. So we just needed to calm down a bit more, but we'll take that. All right. All right. So VIX is, if it's under 20, just know that we have reduced volatility. Equity markets should go higher. All right. Over here, sectors, we pay attention to these guys every evening. If you notice, there are more sectors where we have blue and up, right? So they're moving up. All right. We have a few here that's continuing to either stay down or move down. All right. So we'll go through, find the sectors with buy signal. We know technology has a buy signal already. All right. So we've been adding slowly technology stocks. We'll find some other sectors that we can might possibly have a buy signal. All right. But look at this. Great news here. More buying is coming into the sectors. All right. So as we go through the stocks, just keep that in the back of your mind. All right. So first stock in Stock Boss. All right. AMBP buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, holding. That's basic materials. All right. So gold, silver. EGHT. All right, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, all green candles. Keep an eye on these when they're it was up for the day. It was up on Friday. So that's fine. That's fine. It was up on Friday. Keep an eye whenever you have a stock, when the market is up, and 391 points for the Dow for one day, guys, that's a big up day. All right. Whenever there are stocks, right, that's on a big update, they didn't move higher, they're not moving higher, they're weak. Keep an eye on those. Okay, that's not good. So EGHT, that's communication services, right? We're holding on to that. All right. HUYA buy signal here. All right, that's holding fine, up 6% on Friday. All right. HUYA communication services. All right, still holding that there. All right, MEMNMRK buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, communication services here. Purpose support and resistance. All green candles. Let's see if it can move, right? Hold, move higher, test resistance again. Okay. Market was up big on Friday, so hopefully it will hold. But we'll see what the market does this week. Purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. If it gives you a white candle, kind of like here, you might want to close the trade. Okay. All right. And that's communication services. QRTEA. All right. Buy signal here. That's holding fine. Communication services. AMSC. Buy signal here, held, holding fine. That's technology in Stock Boss. All right. AVPT, buy signal was here. Look at that. Nice big move on Friday, guys. Big move, big candles to move the price higher. Buy signal was at 710. Trading now on Friday, closed at 819. All right. AVPT. VNet. All right. VNet. Technology also. buy signal here, and that's breaking out. We do have a high right here. I wouldn't call this resistance, just a high right here. Close right here, moving up nicely. All right. So bull master, those were stock boss. Remember, stock boss stocks, right, under $10. Bull master stocks over $10, right? So your large cap stocks. Just think bull master, large caps, right? Stock boss, small caps. Okay. All right. DRS, buy signal here, moving up nicely, up for on Friday. That's technology. We have a lot of technology stocks in stock boss, okay, and bull master. All right. GDDY, that's GoDaddy, buy signal here, nice move higher, technology right there. KTOS, buy signal is here, that's holding purple support and resistance. Just keep an eye on that. All right. Just remember, purpose, support, and resistance, guys. Right. We're getting lower highs, lower lows within your markup phase. That's not an indication, all right, to close the trade. Just keep an eye because you will just have a little bit of a pullback within the trend. So always keep an eye on when you get purpose, support, and resistance within the within the markup phase. What we want: yellow support and resistance within the markup phase, purpose support and resistance in the markdown phase. Kind of like here, right? We want purpose support and resistance in the markdown phase. Whenever we get yellow support and resistance in the markdown phase, just know we could be getting close to a reversal. All right, same thing here. Purpose support and resistance in the markup, right? We could get sellers a reversal in the move. All right, or in the trend. MSTR, that's technology in bull master. Buy signal here, nice move higher, gapped up, right? Good price action. Expensive stock, good one for calls, okay? All right. PI, buy signal here, a decent markdown phase, breaking resistance, purpose support and resistance. Purpose support and resistance is okay if it's at the bottom, right? We expect it at the bottom. When it gets at the top, that's the concern. Snap, so good trade going there. Snap, buy signal here, all right? All green candles. Now, it looks really bad here, but when we pull that in like this, all right, looks much better. We need to get buy signal came in at 1040 on about that area. We need to get past resistance at about 1275, right? It's at 1132, closed on Friday, but so right about here, 1280 or so, we could see it really move higher, right? Perhaps fill in the gap right here. Okay, that's SNAP. SWI, buy signal here, that's moving higher here. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right. So SWI, buy signal, moving up nicely. And then again, that's technology. Okay. We squeeze that in here. We could see it's breaking out. It's got to get through. Oh, okay. It's getting through that area. You got some resistance there at 1097, closed 1139. All right, buy signal came in at 1052, so good trade going there. VRNS, good trade going here. All right, that's a reaccumulation phase, good markdown phase here. All right, that's a reaccumulation. So previous buy signal, right? Then we got another buy signal here at 32. Now it's at 35. Technology, good trade going here. AEO, another trade that's entry was in the reaccumulation phase. So new buy signal here, previous trade did well. Buy signal here at 1758, right now at 1858. So 1 point, not bad. All right. That's all. That's communication services. Okay. All right. GPS. This one here, we've been holding buy signal here, right? Buy signal here at 1176 or so. We're looking for it to get to resistance here. We might see where it holds at resistance. Just remember, sellers are here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. See the potential. Okay, on the weekly, not bad, guys. All right, so on the weekly, we're approaching resistance here on the weekly. All right, so it could break out. All right, nice markdown phase on the weekly. All right, we have support down here. All right, so we could see this trade possibly break through. There's support down here. So there's a good chance, right? It could break through here. We know that it could get much higher because it's been as high as 37. Okay, so that's on the weekly. Go back to the daily right here. So there's a good chance, guys, it can get up to this area. You might see a bit of a consolidation and then hopefully continue to move higher. All right, so those are the current stocks. All right, so let's take a look at what time is it? Okay, so let's take a look at new positions, possible positions we can add to equities. I want to take a look at equities because guess what? We had a big up day on Friday. All right, so let's take a look at Stock Boss Bullmaster. But before we do that, let's take a look at the sectors. Find the sectors with buy signals. We know technology has a buy signal. All right, so gold, nothing here. Silver, nothing there. Silver and gold pulling back, guys. All right. All right. So we're looking for buy signals now. All right. So technology, guys, still holding that buy signal. Look at that move on Friday. Big move on Friday, guys, with technology. So tech, we'll look at tech stocks this evening. All right. Remember, we need the indexes first. All right. Indexes and the VIX. Right. We watch the indexes and the VIX before you trade any stock. All right. What's the overall market doing? What's the volatility? Is the volatility low? Right. Equities like low volatility. Right. All right. So the VIX needs to be low, preferably under 20. Then the sector. We need to know, hey, do we have a buy signal or buyers coming in nicely in the sector? Are they buying that sector? That sector, the stocks are in that sector. All right. And then the stocks. We look at the stocks last always. Okay. So technology, buy signal right here. Good price action. All right. So we'll continue to look at technology. Nothing here. Utilities, nothing. Communication, consumer discretionary, green candles, no buy signal. All right. Communication services, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. All right. Let's see. Industrial is setting up. All right. Nice markdown phase. Green candle. We could get another buy signal similar to here. All right. But we need to wait for that buy signal. Healthcare, nothing in healthcare. Telecom, nothing there. So just tech. All right. Just tech. So let's go back to Stock Boss. We're going to run it. Right. We track about over 22,000 stocks that quickly. And we came up with 45, all right, which is not bad considering, okay? So let's find technology here. We have a few here, okay? So let's see if we can add some technology stocks. PRCH, right? We're not in that one, all right? So nice markdown phase, good buy signal here. We don't even have to look at the weekly time frame, guys. Nice markdown phase, all right? Good buy signal right here. All right, pushed up nicely on Friday at $1. Buy signal came in at 94 cents, trading at $1.04 on Friday. All right, this stock fell from 391, so a decent risk reward. Okay, this decent risk reward. So PRCH, and that is technology in Stock Boss. All right, so right off the gate there. All right. OUST. All right, look at this one. All right, came from a high of 49, trading at 492, 493 there. All right, not bad. All right. Buy signal right here. We'll add this. I know it looks bad when you close up, but when you bring it out, all right, and it is breaking resistance here. So we'll add this. OUST. And we do have some fundamental seasonality, right? So we know technology stocks will do well, right? If market is bullish, fourth quarter technology, right? For the holidays, right? All that technology, hoping that communication services, phones, right? That should give a buy signal, but we'll see how that does. Still early, all right? Let's see here. Well, I don't know if it's early. We are in November. MTTR. MTTR. I thought we were in this. MTTR. All right, we'll add this one here. Buy signal here, holding fine, MTTR. Good, really good markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase, MTTR. And that's technology in stock boss. All right. All right, no buy signal here. No buy signal here. No buy signal here. But this is setting up. No buy signal here. All right. This is a possibility, but let's see if we can find a better one. Guys, you notice how these buy signals are coming in right at the bottom. We're not getting these at the top. This one fell from 160, $164, guys. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal came in here. All right, at $5. All right, so fell from what was it? I said 160 or so. All right, buy signal came in at $4. I want to take a quick look at the weekly on this just to see. All right, so it's flattened out. We don't have a white candle, but look at that weekly. All right, lots of selling. Right, flattened out. Good support there. Right, hopefully we get a lift with that one. So let's put it back to the daily time frame. All right, so WISH, and the hope is with the sector, with the indexes, with the Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq is moving higher. We'll get a lift with those stocks there. All right, all right. AVPT, we're in that one there. Lab, nothing here, no buy signal. If it doesn't have a buy signal, our stock boss traders, bull mass, if it doesn't have a buy signal, just don't pay attention to those. Okay, guys. All right. All right, look at this. UIS. All right. UIS. Nice, a lot of good selling. Notice we're not buying them at the top, guys. These are nice, right? Nice selling. Want all that selling to be exhausted. Found support, good support down here. All right. Fell from $23, trading at $4. All right, nice markdown phase here also. Buy signal came in at 381, close on Friday 441. Nice big candles coming in here, so we know buyers are definitely in this stock. All right, if sellers come back in, guess what? Right, we'll close. Right, use your system, break support, close the trade. All right. So USI technology in stock boss. All right. If they reverse, hit support, we get out. All right. VT. All right. Let's see here. VTEX. That gapped up. That might fill the gap. So that's hold off on that there. AZUL, no buy signal. That's transportation. Never mind. All right. So the last one, VTEX, we'll hold off on that one. Okay. So we have a few. We've got 5 in stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster here. All right. So Bullmaster. Right here. Hold on. Let me move this. Down. All right. Okay, Bull Master. Now remember, these Bull Master stocks over, right? Over $10. Now this ran on Friday, but I want to do a clean scan. So 52 in Bull Master, and we'll look at the same thing. Technology stocks, all right? Only technology. That's where we have a buy signal, okay? All right, not bad, but it's gapped up here. So it might go back down, guys, and fill that gap. All right. So just be careful with these gap ups, gap downs, especially when we're looking to go long, gap ups. All right. So wait until it fills that gap. Okay. Okay. PLTR. Let's make sure we're not in it. PLTR, right? With the market the way it's doing, guys, we'll look for reaccumulation, right? New buy signals in the markup phase. So it's breaking resistance here. All right. Support is down here. Nice big candle came in. Purple support and resistance, but just know it's getting out of that area here. But purple support and resistance, just keep an eye on that. All right. So PLTR technology stock in Bull Master. Okay. All right. Let's keep going. Now we'll take a quick look at Forex also if we have time. But we have to get through these stocks, right? Big update on Friday, right? So nothing here. Snap, we're in Snap. No buy signal. Keep an eye on this one here. STNE, we just need a buy signal. The descent markdown phase. SW, which one is this? SWI, we're in that one. All right, APP. All right. Look at the trading here, guys. Good markdown phase, really good markdown phase. Look at the previous buy signal. All right, buy signal was at 16.98, so 17, and sell signal came at 38, and now we've got a new buy signal here. Okay, right here. Again, nice markdown phase. I want to take a look at the daily, see the potential here. All right, look at the potential. This went fell from 113. It's at 43 now. Okay, the weekly time frame has a buy signal, all green candles, nicely in the markup phase. So that weekly looks good. Daily, not bad. So a buy signal right here on the daily. We know that weekly looks really good. All right, so we'll add it. All right, APP, and that's technology in Bull Master. Okay. You can do calls on that too. So we'll call our option traders, right? Anthony, you here. So you can look for calls also. AMD, advanced micros devices here, buy signal here. Let's take a look. That daily doesn't look great. Let's see what we have on that weekly, monthly. Big candle here on the monthly. Take another week. Look at the weekly there. All right, let's see if we can make sense of this. This could be a good trade here, a good setup. All right, let's see here. All right. Yeah, we might have something here. All right, so good upward trend line, decent. All right, we know the price is moving higher. All right, a pullback, markdown phase. All right. And price got squeezed. Here's your triangle right here. Nice big candle to break out. All right. Nice big candle. Buy signal came in here on a break of resistance right here. All right. So, boy, what an ugly chart, right? Doesn't look great, but after we frame it, right, we can see, right, nice break of resistance here, buy signal here, buyers are coming in. So we'll definitely add this one. Now, it's 118, good one for calls. All right. Um, and then the highs are right here. Okay, so not bad. AMD, and that's technology. That's Bullmaster, okay? And they're buying it right here. Nice big candle came in here to get out of that area here. Get out of that area, broke out, okay? And broke resistance right here. Buy signal came in right here, a little triangle here. So, all right. On the monthly time frame, let me show you guys on the monthly. Not that you're going to trade it on the monthly, but if you look here on the monthly, all right, doing the same thing, upward trend line on the monthly, and it's so right over here, upward trend line, and you had some resistance here, you got some highs over here, so it could move it every single month, right? It's been going higher except for here, right? Pull back. So right, not a perfect setup, but definitely buyers are coming in. And it is technology, and I think this is semiconductor. Yep, semiconductor here, right? So Christmas rally, holiday rally, that might work out. MSTR. Yeah, we're in this one already. Nice breakout here. Nothing here. No buy signal. I think we'll do Forex tomorrow, guys. All right. Nothing here. Is that GoDaddy here? What's that? Um, data dog. Nothing here. We gapped up. Just remember, right? When you gap up like this, that price will, right? Buyers will tend to bring that price down to fill in that gap before it moves higher. Just like when it gaps down. See here, where the price gap down. Okay, gap down. See this gap in here? We don't have any candles, right? You notice how the buyers brought that back. So sellers shorted it, gap down, then buyers came brought that price almost all the way back up to this area here before they brought it back down. All right, price usually tends to fill that gap. Okay, so same thing here, right? It gapped up, right? Right? They could bring that price lower all the way back down here to fill that gap before they're ready to move high. So that's a bit dangerous. They always be aware of this. The gap up, gap down. Okay, they've got to fill that gap. All right, JKS. On the surface, this looks good. All right, let's see. And then we'll be done shortly here. All right. Very choppy in here. All right. Very, very choppy. We don't have a clean markdown phase. We have resistance right here. Always look above to see what you've got. So we have really good support here, which is resistance, right? Going up, resistance. And then you've got more resistance, this whole area here, right? So a lot of consolidation that could really block your price here. And stocks really will pay attention to these zones. All right. So very tough. It's got to get, it's right here already. It's got to get past this area here. All right. If it could get up in this area, it's got to get past all in here. It's just tough. All right. So we'll leave this. All right. The easier opportunities. Okay. All right. Let's see here. GEN, no buy signal. DV, all right. All right, much better, guys. Look at this one here. Much cleaner chart, right? Nice markdown phase, right? We do have some consolidation in here, but if you look here, all right, so here is the high here. All right, so here is the high. Resistance is right here, and here we are getting past that resistance. All right, so we are breaking out, and looks like we could have clear sailing. All right, once we get past that area here. Nice markdown phase, nice accumulation, big candle here, buy signal, nice here. All right, so DV will definitely. Are we in this? No. Okay, DV. That's technology in Bullmaster. Okay, and we have a buy signal, perfect buy signal came in on Friday. Okay, all right. And we have two more. PI, we're in PI. PI looks good. All right, buy signal here. That's breaking out. UYOU, no buy signal here. Okay, so 5 in Stock Boss, 4 in Bullmaster. We'll take a look at Forex tomorrow. All right. Our US Monster US 30 NAS 100 and SP 100 traders, pay attention. We had a nice big run on Friday. So previous week was an amazing week. Okay, so really pay attention. As the equity markets are moving higher, your systems will perform well. All right, so Monster US 30, right, on the 60-minute time frame. Let's do here. All right, great trades on the 5 minutes, but expect some pullbacks. Okay, so we should be out. Here's the US 30. All right, on the 5-minute time frame. So that closed. All right. So in the New York session, just pay attention to your systems, but just remember, right? You could get here is the NAS. Look at the NAS on the 5-minute. All right, right. Sales signal close. We got a sell signal to get out, but look, we have red candles coming in, so might find some good opportunities to go short. All right, to go short the E-minis. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll go over Forex tomorrow. All right, we'll go over Forex, Monster Scalper, and Forex Dominator. Okay, use your smaller time frames. All right, use your smaller time frames, guys. Okay, all right. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, take care. Bye bye.